In this practice, we will create an enlarged detail based on a section, modify line weights, create filled regions, and add detail components and annotations. Open the structural detail RVT file from the practice files folder. Open the sections, building section, north-south section view. Zoom in on the intersection of the TOS first floor level and grid line B on the left. In the View tab, Create Panel, click Callout. Create a callout, then double-click on the callout head to open it. Let's set the detail to fine if needed. In the View control bar, set the scale to 3/4 of an inch equals 1 foot. Select the TOS first floor level datum and use the Hide Bubble control to hide the bubble on the right. Let's zoom in close to the intersection to display the line thickness. The slab and beam section cut lines are too heavy. Select the slab. Right-click and select Override Graphics and View by Element. In the View Specific Element Graphic dialog box, change the cut lines to 2. Click OK. Select the beam that is cut in the section and change the cut line's weight to 3. Let's save the project. In the Annotate tab Detail panel, expand Region and click Filled Region. In the Type selector, select Filled Region, Solid Black. Click Edit Type. In the Type Properties dialog box, click Duplicate and create a new type named Solid Gray. In the Type parameters, change the color to a light gray. Click OK to return to the sketch. In the Modify Create Filled Region Boundary tab, Draw panel, use the drawing tools to create a 1-inch thick boundary above the floor slab. Click Finish Edit Mode in the Mode panel. The region representing the architectural floor displays. In the Annotate tab Detail panel, expand Component and click Detail Component. In the Modify Place Detail Component tab, Mode panel, click Load Family. Browse to the Practice Files Family folder. Press Ctrl to select both families, L-angle bolted connection elevation and L-angle bolted connection section. Then click Open. In the Type selector, select L-angle bolted connection elevation, L3 by 3 by 1/4 of an inch. Click Edit Type. In the Type Properties dialog box, change the number of the bolts to 3. Click OK. Place the component at the intersection of the midpoint on the beam and elevation and the column it frames into. This time, place the L-angle bolted connection section on the section beam. After it's placed, select it and stretch the grips to be tight around the member. Click Modify and save the project. In the Annotate tab Detail panel, expand Component and click Repeating Detail Component. In the Type selector, select Repeating Detail CMU. In the option bar, set the offset to 3 13/16 of an inch or 7 5/8 of an inch divided by 2. Keep in mind you can always type formulas whenever a number can be added. Select the bottom midpoint of the flange W14 by 30 section and draw a line down to display at least 2 CMU blocks. Select the new CMU wall, and in the Modify Detail Items tab, Arrange panel, click Send to Back. Click Move to move the entire CMU wall down 1 inch to create space for the bearing plate for the beam. Click Modify. Save the project. In the Annotate tab, Detail panel, expand Components and click Detail Components. In the Type selector, select Break Line. Add break lines to the top, bottom, and right side of the detail. Press spacebar to rotate the break lines as needed. Let's modify the crop region so that the excess elements do not display on the outside of the break line. Leave plenty of room for the annotations by making the annotation crop region larger. In the Annotate tab, Text panel, click Text. Let's add notes to complete the detail. In the View control bar, click Hide Crop Region. Let's save and close the project.